Chemical kinetics assignment number 8. For the elementary reaction 2A gives rise to C, the concentration of A after 30 minutes was found to be 0.01 moles per liter. If the rate constant of the reaction is 2.5 10 to the power of minus 2, the rate of the reaction at 30 minutes is. See, when it is mentioned elementary reaction, you have to say rate is equals to K into A to the power 2. He is asking rate. K is given, rate constant is K. Rate constant is given 2.5 10 to the power minus 2 into A. A is the concentration. Concentration is 0.01, 0.01 whole square. So this will become 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 2.5 10 to the power of minus 6 moles per liter per second. That is the unit of rate of reaction. Next question. For 2 ammonia in the presence of gold, this is the important point. In the presence of gold, ammonia decomposition is zero order reaction. When it is zero order reaction, the rate is going to be constant. Okay, now rate with respect to nitrogen is 2 in 10 to the power of minus 3. Then rate with respect to nitrogen after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, after 40 minutes, whatever it is. Rate does not change with time for zero order reactions. The specific rate of a reaction is given 1.5 10 to the power of minus 4 liter per mole per second. If the reaction is commenced with 0.2 moles per liter of the reactant, the initial rate of the reaction in moles per liter per second is asking rate. And specific rate of a reaction is nothing but rate constant. Rate constant units you see liter per mole per second. Liter per mole per second means it is second order reaction. When it is second order reaction, rate is equals to K into A to the power 2. Is asking initial rate. So rate only asking K. K value is given 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into initial concentration is given as 0.2, 0.2 whole square. So this will become 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. 0.2 into 0.2 is nothing but 0.04. If you make it, it will come 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 6 into 10 power minus 6. Question number 4, very interesting. For the process 2A gives rise to products, the rate of a reaction with respect to A is at 10th second is this much. Then rates at 5th second and 15th seconds. Very simple. Generally, order is not zero mentioned. For other order reactions except 0, the rate will be continuously decreasing along with time. So 5th second will be greater than 10th second and 15th second will be less than 10th second. Simple logic. At 5th second it is more and at 15th second it is less than the 10th second time. Very simple logic. Question number 5. In the process of 2N2O5 gives rise to 4NO2 plus O2, rates minus 1 by 2 dN2O5 by dt is equals to 1 by 4 dNO by dt is equals to dO2 by dt. Equal to is asking N2O5, NO2 and O2 only, so all are equal. The rate of the reaction CH3COO C2H5 plus NaOH gives rise to given. Okay, now in the presence of basic medium, it is second order reaction, right? So if 3 times water is added, the concentration will become 1 by 4. Correct? Dilution law, M1V1 is equals to M2V2. Let us say initial concentration is M1, V1 is 1 liter, M2, V2 will become more extra 3 times of water is added, so it will become, volume will become 4. So final concentration M2 is equal to M1 by 4. Means it becomes 1 by 4 times. then the rate of the reaction compared to the original rate is, it is becoming 1 by 4, this is becoming 1 by 4, so it becomes 1 by 16. The concentration of reaction decreases from 0.2 molar to 0.05 molar in 5 minutes. The rate of the reaction moles per liter per second is, rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration by time taken, 0.2 minus 0.05 by 5 minutes. So it is going to be 0.15 by 5. 0.15 by 5, if you simplify, you will be getting the answer. 0.2 minus 0.05 in 5 minutes, and is asking per second. Per second means you have to convert this into 60. By multiplying with 60, the minutes will be converted to. This is 5 minutes better. 5 minutes means 5 into 60 seconds. You will be getting the right answer. Eighth question, A gives rise to B. Ka is equals to 10 power 15 e to the power minus 2000 by t. C due t, Kc is equals to 10 to the power of 14 e minus 1000 by t. Temperature T at which Ka is equals to Kc. Okay, this is one very important question. I will show you this in another page. Yes, here is your answer. K is equals to Ae to the power of minus Ea by Rt. Fine. And here mentioned K1 is equals to K2. So K1 is equal to K2 means 10 to the power of 15 e to the power of minus 2000 by t is equals to, these are the values given there. You can check K1, K2 or Ka is equal to Kc. This is 10 power 15, this is 10 power 14, so it will become 10, right? And this I am taking this side. So E minus 1000 by t plus 2000 by t. This is nothing but 10 is equals to E into 1000 by t. Now taking natural logarithm on both sides, it will become ln 10 is equals to 1000 by t. Or ln can be converted to log by multiplying with 2.303. 2.303 log 10 is equals to 1000 by t. Rt is equals to 1000 by 2.303 log 10. Log 10 is equals to 1 beta. So 1000 by 2.303. 1000 by 2.303. Okay. So 1000 by 2.303. From the following data, for the decomposition of N2O5 at 30 degrees Celsius, find out the rate constant in minutes, volume after 10 minutes of the reaction 90 ml, volume of O2 after completion of the reaction is 100 ml. I don't think this is the right one because rate constant units are in minute. Minute inverse means it is first order reaction. First order reactions should not go for completion. But he made it very simple. K is equals to 2.303 by t log A by A minus x. This is the formula for the first order. And he is saying that after 10 minutes of time, K is equals to 2.303 by 10 log of A by A minus x. A is 100 and A minus x is 10. So this will become log 10. Log 10 is equals to 1. 2.303 by 10, that is nothing but 0.2303. I don't think so this is the right one, right way of asking question. But this question is there in all websites. You can check in any website. Simple, this formula is given and it is finished. If doubling the concentration of the reactant A increases the rate by 4 times and tripling the concentration of A increases the rate by 9 times, then rate is proportional to. Okay, now according to Mr. Arnav Prasad, rate is proportional to concentration of to the power n type. Okay, for example, we are saying the rate increases by 4 times when concentration is increased by 2 times. So 2 to the power n. What should be the n value? N value must be 2. Otherwise, the simplest way, doubling 4 times means doubled. Or this 4 times you write in 2 power. Or tripling, when it is you are saying tripling, that 9 times. This you write again in power of 3, 3 square. This power is the order. Power is the order. So order is 2. Thank you.